your boyfriend there?
I leave him for there.
You leave him for there? Hey, if you say don't go in Mama's office now.
Let's go there, go find her.
Hello. Hey, come. Oh, thank God, you okay?
Yes,
what happened to you?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Hey, are you okay?
What happened?
Hey!
How did it happen? How did that book leave your body?
Book, they hang for air, they bomb. Me, I don't know. I don't know. That fear me way. Hey.
Hey, you know what they make me? I feel like I want wee now.
You want wee?
I want peace for my body. See, I told you. I don't talk and plenty times. Say plenty strange things they happen for this school. Things they occur on a daily basis for this school. What thing they happen? I think we need to go tell Mrs. Let's go and tell your mother.
No.
What thing be no.
I don't think that is a good idea.
Why not?
Wait, please. I can handle this thing.
How? It was with you. I don't understand.
Wait.
Just wait now.
What happened?
Jesse, Melissa, please. You guys have to promise me that you won't tell anyone of what we witnessed there.
Why?
Because of the reputation of the school.
You're not a good person.
No.
Listen, I see.
Wait,
you know
let me tell you the reason. Wait, let me tell you the reason. The reason is because if you tell any other student or your friends or family, these students might tell their parents, and their parents might come to school and exempt them from this school, which is bad for the school.
Wait. So you let me finish. Me, Melissa. This math where you know my right to the sharp. You look me. No, not tell me I don't want my voice. So you look me finish. If you say I don't go come on, go tell people what I see with this is my eye. Me. Huh? You dey lie.
See, let me tell you. If no be say I dey get something for my mind for you, say I like you well. You see that you and your mama, I for say me thunder from heaven. We no get mama, we no get papa. Make it fire you and that your mama.
Yes,
no, make I leave my 2 hands on your face. So if like say something they do you, no, you want me to die for this school. That what say you want now? No. The school reputation. They're more important. Just make it one. I beg.
Why are you not putting on your complete uniform?
Ma, please, the weather is hot and the sun is hot too.
Is that enough reason?
Sorry, Ma.
Put on your uniform and dress properly. Son.
Mom?
Oh yeah, back to your class. What is it? What? What is it?
Mom, something very terrible and shocking happened today when I was studying with two of my classmates in front of the chemistry lab.
What happened?
Mommy, as we were studying, my textbook was on my classmate's body. At a point, we couldn't find the textbook. So we started looking for it. Mommy, before we knew it, we saw this textbook hanged in the air and burnt to ashes in our very before.
How is that possible?
Yes, it happened.
In your dream. Anyway, how about your classmates?
Mommy, they should be in the class dealing with their trauma because even myself, I am not fully recovered from the shock.
My dear, tell your classmates that I would like to see them later. Okay. As for the textbook, I will replace it. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
And again, I always tell you to be brave. You see, when a man is successful, such things do happen to them. Sometimes they see what is not really there. Overlook it. Don't worry yourself about it, okay? Go back to your class.
Okay, Mom.
You can go.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
Then tell me why you guys should be running into this classroom like demons being chased by the mentor today. That's enough. Okay. Point of correction. You don't call me Stanley. You call Stanley. What? You guys need some mental clean up or what? Stanley. I said that's enough. You shot too much. I'm Stanley. What's up? Stanley, that's okay. Talk too much like a girl. What do you mean I talk too much like a girl? Don't say that shit again.
What do you mean by that? It's only girls that talk too much.
Who is she? Concerning what happened earlier, even though it's your hallucination.
Hallucination?
I'm sure, yes.
No, Mal. This one, I know they sleep. I say book for air, they born. Which one they are? I know they sleep. No, this one not be hallucination.
Mrs. Which one? You don't even there they speak English. I don't understand. You say waiting. From my leg, from up arm to fly to the sky. What are you saying now?
Something you saw that was
not
Ha! Now what?
You said did you swoon? Okay, sir. Ma,
I'm still talking. I wouldn't want you to tell anybody about it. Not even your parents. Should know about it.
Mrs.
Wait.
No, now. What are you saying now?
But I have to tell my mother. I have never seen this kind of thing before. If you don't get it before.
Mrs. You need to see what's in our eyes. See.
My book good a bone for air. Nobody like them.
Now my mama they go tell like this, so because I need to check whether spiritual something.
Yeah, go tell my mama. Oh no. Go tell my mama. I never see this kind of one before.
If you tell your parents about it, that will explain both of you. Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma.
It will be your words against mine. So do not try my patience.
Yes, Mrs.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, so why the principal could tell us make we not tell anybody waiting happen for this school?
Hey, you know that woman, I suspect her. You see this witchy woman, I suspect her. Hey, how you go tell me say make I no talk within my eyes see? What did I did this life they do now? I must talk within my eyes see. Oh, this my mouth so they stay one place. I must talk am. How you go tell me say make I no tell my mama, make I no tell my papa. Make I not tell anybody. Waiting happen. I don't understand.
Waiting should they try protect. That waiting me they try figure out. Because you know see waiting happen. I shock. If I still remember the thing, I get goosebumps all over my body. You could tell me to make I not open this mouth so that they use chop food. Make I not tell people waiting happen. Me I go buy this again. I go tell everybody. I don't understand. Because me I can't wait to finish this secondary school.
You see this our principal. There is more to this, our principal.
I'm telling you.
You know, she don't say we get spiritual eye.
How you go see something will happen? You know something happen? You dey tell me say make I not tell my papa. What if they come tomorrow, come kill me?
No, even when they go, what if tomorrow now you go come the born? Me I go come they look you go come disappear.
Ha! Holy Ghost fire.
Hey! Wonder shall never cease. Oh, I know say I know no book, oh, but at least I get feelings. I feel them.
Okay, good day, class.
Okay, now I'm about to start my teachings and I want everybody to listen to me attentively. I wouldn't want to repeat myself. Do I make myself clear? Okay, good. So, today's topic is going to be linear equation. What? Did anybody here know what is linear equation is?
I got no idea about that shit.
Oh, I had no idea about the shit. Now listen to me attentively. I will explain myself. Okay. So, the marker is very bad. I hope you can see it clearly. Linear equation.
I can see you to the right.
Okay, I can spell.
Okay, can
Okay. So, let's proceed. So, anybody here that knows what linear equation is?
Equation with me.
What?
Equation with me.
Come on, shut up. Okay, listen. The linear equation is an equation that consists variables, and those variables are being multiplied by a constant without a product of variables.
I got it.
Okay, now
Correct.
Systematically, we have different forms of linear equation. We have the standard, that is good for x. We have the standard, we have the conceptual, and thirdly, we have the solo.
Uncle, you are blocking my view.
Oh, sorry. We have the solo. So these are the three types. We have the standard, the concept, and we have the slope. So, hey, I'm talking to you, young lady.
Don't waste your time on them, please. You gotta explain the solo or you will be in sorrow.
Will you keep quiet?
Sorry about that.
I'm talking to you.
Me?
Melissa, that's your name, right?
So now maybe Melissa.
Simple.
Jessica is your name, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. What was the last thing I said?
No idea.
You said, now you be Melissa. I can't say no. My friend can't say yes. You can't say you be Jessica, Abi. I say yes, sir. Don't be waiting me talk, you they laugh me.
Shut up!
Why you they laugh? You say Melissa, your name, I say no, sir. Now your name.
Now my name.
You say Jessica is your name, I say yes, sir.
Now keep
my
quiet
name.
and listen to me.
Now you say keep quiet. I don't keep up. Keep quiet.
Is anything wrong with you or something? Before I started this class, I said everybody should pay attention attentively. And I do not want to repeat myself. Listen, after this class, I want you to come sit in my office. I'm here teaching, and your mind is somewhere else. Are you not here to learn?
What's not the same thing?
Shut up! You. What was the last thing I said?
Don't waste your time on her, please.
Tisha, excuse me. She's Tisha. You said, no be they fight with me. No, you they exchange words with my friends the last time.
Talk am as he be. See, he likes to dey lie, yo. You know they lie say truth.
But ask you question.
You dey here they laugh me if you look where's them.
How did they
If
laugh
you look
you?
where's them.
But I know they laugh.
Shut up! Don't be obsession at night. Both of you please stand.
Stop that! Hey, listen up.
Both of you stand.
You can't.
Both of you stand or you leave my class.
Which class?
So I've been here teaching. And both of you are busy discussing. The most beautiful girl in this school. In fact, you're the gorgeous of them all, baby. You are the prettiest of all the ladies in this school. I don't wanna.
You just dey whine yourself now.
Baby, you know, sir, I know if you whine you. Why is it like that?
You know why I know again? No, you just dey whine yourself. You say, hey, baby. Who is your baby?
Baby,
No, who will be your baby now?
lower your voice.
See, no try touch me, oh. No touch me. No try touch me, oh. See, day your day, you dey fuck up. See, small thing they make me the vex, oh. Small thing they make me the vex. I know they like how you they behave. I don't like her. Not because you wear green up and down. They call add and white. You think say you be Nigeria. You don't be Nigeria, oh. See, respect yourself. I know they like how you they behave, oh.
Okay, so this is the problem. So this is why you're making a beautiful girl like you angry.
Before uncle, now you they make me the vex. I carry water from out. You they make me the vex. I don't like her.
I'm sorry about that. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Tell me anything that you want me to do to make it up to you and I will do it. I can't be the reason why you're unhappy. In fact, my purpose of coming to this school is to make every girl happy and make sure they learn. And not to put them in this kind of situation, okay? I'm sorry. Just tell me whatever the problem is and I will make an amend. I promise.
See, make I tell you. You show these pickings where they this school. Everybody they fear me. Everybody they give me my way for this school. Now you come they make them now. They come they laugh at me. I know they like that kind of thing, no. I know they like calm. Come they ask me question. Why they ask me question now? Everybody knows I know no book. I know Sabi book. No, don't tell me shh. Which one make I no talk? See God give me mouth make I talk. I go talk more. Don't tell me that kind of thing. So, even my mama no say I know no book. I be Tibori boy team pataka.
Can you just stop?
She just dey allow me make I just dey come school, make I waste my time, make I know they disturb her for house. Now when I dey come school, you see my bag, any book could dey am. Person when they go school, you know they get book. I no come school. I just dey here, just dey waste my time. See, if you want make this thing where we dey enjoy, for back, make we see they enjoy am. No try for your life. See, if you want ask question, pass me. Enter the next person. Ask question. No ask me question again.
And you're proud that you're not intelligent, so you want to scream for the whole world to know that you have nothing upstairs.
No bad thing. The way God created the way God creates me, we are two different people. I know no book, you know book. Day your day, me I day my day. I like and like that. I tell you say they complain.
Okay, it's fine.
Ha!
Guys, sorry, don't be angry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. If that's just the only problem that you have with me, I promise from today henceforth, in fact, moving forward, I will never ask you any question again in the class. So have a do.
Now so you supposed to be. See, if you won't ask me question, just pass me. Look for person where they around me. Ask them the question. Don't ask me again, I beg.
Just that?
Yes.
It's a small thing, I'll do it for you. But you're going to do me this small favor.
Wait. I don't say that this thing you want.
Come on, after school.
You know now. Now money now. No be say you know now. Now money now.
Like money.
You go give me money. No be you know now.
Now wait now. Wait. I am sorry.
Don't tell me sorry.
I beg you since.
Don't say don't beg me.
Sorry now.
Which kind of thing be this now?
Sorry.
See, Melissa, you dey fuck up. You dey fuck up. If anybody for this school go laugh at me say I make mistake, no be you now. After wetin happen to us today, I don't like that kind of thing.
No be say I laugh you. You know say me too. I dey traumatized. As I see that book wey dey burn for, and it never happened before. I say make I just make it be say I laugh. You understand? But you sef, the way you take answer the question, you make me just like say you dey primary school.
No, you see they laugh now.
No, but why you dey serious like this? Calm down. Oh yeah, sorry. I be wan ask you first. You too get stress. Calm down. Oh yeah, sorry. I be wan ask you. Uncle Tolu, wetin he tell you? Because he say make you come meet am for class. Wetin happen? How far?
Nothing serious. Don't mind that one. Just they tell me say make I just read my book. Oh, say make I read my book. Yes, I go fail exam.
Tell her the truth. She's your best friend.
See this idiot. Who call you for this thing?
Your best friend. Tell her the truth.
I go pick up person pick. I go kill this girl today.
You know say papa na go follow.
You dey mad?
She be you open and
go back. I go kill you today, idiot. See this girl, oh.
I no dey oh.
See. When this, you see this small girl, make sure they avoid me for this school, oh. Avoid me for this school. This one I second say, I dey call for you. Don't worry, I dey call for you.
I don't want to see you worried anymore. This is your book.
Oh my God. I never thought I'll find this book again. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So can I leave now?
Yes?
Yes.
Mom!
What is it?
Mom!
Why are you running? Who's after you?
Mom.
What is it?
Mom, I saw it.
You saw what?
I saw it, Mom. I saw it.
You saw what?
The bond textbook. The bond textbook. I saw it in my locker.
Kenechukwu, I'm the one that left it in your locker. Yes, I promised to get you a new one. Didn't I? Is that why you are running? Eh?
Yeah. Mommy, I was so scared. When I saw it, I was shivering. When I saw it, because I saw this textbook burn before my very eyes.
Kenechukwu. Eh? Why are you disturbing yourself unnecessarily? I told you I will get you a new one, and I did.
Yes.
It's all right. Go back to your class, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah? How? I don't remember buying any textbook. How manage? No.
Kelly. K.
Yes?
Kelly, are you okay? I've been observing you lately. Are you fine? What's wrong with you?
Nothing. I am fine. I hope you slept well last night.
Oh, yes, I did. Thanks for asking, though. Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay. You know, I like it when I make you scared. It's so fun.
Yes.
Are you sure you're fine?
I am fine. Bianca, I have something to attend to quickly.
Okay.
See you later.
Bianca, wait now, eh? I beg you in the name of God. I really like you now. Accept me now.
Okay. You see me finish. Like you looked at me. I am like your younger sister. Eh? And you want to date me? You want me to be your girlfriend?
Leave that one now, eh? I really like you, eh? Just please, just accept. Find a way to accept it because I really like you.
You know
I'm serious.
You need to stop following me. Okay?
See, I will follow you anywhere. I will follow you.
The stubborn flies follows the corpse to the grave. I won't warn you again. Stay away from me.
This one, you are even raising your voice. You want to fight me?
In the shadows,
I respect myself.
we think we're alone, but our actions, they have a way back home. Every secret, every hidden deed will find its way to your doorstep.
What is happening? Why are you here standing crying? What is it? Did anybody find out about us or something?
No, nobody found out about it.
So why are you here all by yourself crying? Oh,
Were you punished by a senior student or any teacher?
No. I'm pregnant.
Wait, I didn't hear you clearly. What did you say?
I missed my period, so I went for a pregnancy test and it came out positive. I'm pregnant.
You mean to say that you have my blood growing in your stomach?
Yes.
But why would you make such a mistake, baby? Each time we're done doing that, I used to give you some money so you can take care of yourself. I can't believe that you could let yourself take in. That's why I give you money so you can take care of yourself. I thought you were that matured enough to handle it. So what do you want us to do now? Eh?
How am I supposed to know what we do?
I hope you didn't tell anybody about this.
No, you asked me not to tell anybody.
Yes, I told you not to. Okay, just... I'm sorry, okay? Just calm down. Nothing is going to go wrong, okay? I'm going to give you money to abort it.
No, I can't do an abortion now. I can't have an abortion. It's risky.
Listen, I'm begging you. At this point, we need each other. And I'm going to tell you that nothing is going to happen to you. I'm giving you all the assurance that nothing is going to happen to you. Listen. Baby, listen. Listen to me. You're going to do an abortion, okay? You're going to abort it. Because if you don't, it's going to put us in trouble. I'm just a copper here. And the last thing that I want for myself is to get an extension from the NYSC. I don't want that to happen. Okay? And also for you, you've been expelled from the school. Is that what you want? Good. So we're going to take it off, okay?
My parents will kill me if they find out.
How did you want to go into tell them? Just calm down. I said nothing is going to happen to you. Okay? Now here is not comfortable for you to just go into the class.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Wait.
Just wait. Just hold on. Hold on. Stop now. Hold on now. Oh my God.
What is going on here? Oh my God. So it's true?
I can explain. It's not what you think. Just
It's
forget
not
what you
what I think. Yes. Copper confidence.
Ma.
And you?
Mommy, please calm down. It's not what it actually looks like.
I should calm down. A teacher is molesting you and you are telling me to calm down?
Ma, he's really right. Oh. See, I was just trying to teach him biology. Not him. And his dress was rumpled. I was trying to, what you see is rumpled. I was trying to fix it for him. There's no what
you will explain better. And you,
Ma?
Back to your class.
I was trying to...
Start going
his
back to your
clothes.
class.
You know, the clothes was rumpled, you know? Eh?
Copper confidence.
Ma.
See me in my office.
Okay.
Rubbish.
Right away.
Mommy, please. What you saw is different from what you think. Because we weren't doing anything. Yes, she is a woman. She confessed to me what she feels for me, but I did not buy in. So what you saw is different. I don't know what she's talking about.
You want to tell me what you think? You are telling me that what I saw is different from what? And you, I welcome you into my school with my whole heart because I really want to help you. And you want to spoil my students, including my son?
Please, ma'am, I am really sorry. It was not intentional. I didn't mean it, and I promise it will not happen again. But, ma, you said, look at your son. He's very attractive. Look at his ears. Look at his lip. Look at his nose. Look at his eyes. Burning in fire. Hey, that's why devil pushed me. Oh, I tried to resist. He refused. Please, ma, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Confidence.
Ma.
Copper confidence.
Ma.
That's your name, right? You are standing before me, telling me that my son looks what? Attractive?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you stupid?
No, ma, but it's the truth. Very attractive.
Get out. Get out! And you, be very careful. What did I say? Be very careful. I don't want to see her around you again. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Back to your class. Rubbish. Want to spoil my only child. Your son is so attractive. Just imagine. Guess of nowadays.
Why did you do that to me? Have I offended you? Have I said anything bad to you or insulted you since I came to this school?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Hmm? Look at the way you confronted me in such an act. I caught you. You were sleeping with a student. Is that not shameful? Look at the way you were holding him.
What is shameful about that? Am I not a woman? Can't I be in love with whomever I want to? And can't I do anything with anybody I want to? Like, how is that your business?
Hmm?
Wait, I saw you coming with the principal. Have you been monitoring me? Have you?
Did you hear what she said? Did you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
As old as you are. Hmm? Sleeping with a student. Someone you teach. Someone that is young enough to be your younger brother. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I won't stand and watch you corrupt other students. And I promise you, whatever you're doing, I'll make sure I will be the one to expose you.
Let's see how hard you can.
So you don't tell me what is up the other day now.
I don't understand. Come back
here.
So you no go bend down, greet us, you dey mad.
Make I know here say these seniors they smoke.
Come here. This skirt, if they wear for this school, they mad. Look at these children, oh. No, because they will wear short skirt, they won't wear short skirt for this school. But listen, they see what's in the sub. See me, oh. Melissa, why these children will they wear short skirt? Because they will wear short skirt.
Not be our fault. That's why everybody they wear short skirt for school. I better leave them. So
Maybe they talk something.
yes, they tell me say Tolu say may you come meet see and make una talk.
Oh, that one. My G, nothing come out. Yes, nothing come out. Don't mind that. You know all these coppers where they show themselves for this school, like say they know book pastors. All of us now age mates, oh. Not because say we just they repeat class. It's not our fault. Say we be tiboribo. I understand. But you see them, I know they like them. Make them just come off from my face. Don't mind now, we just tell me say, make I try to read my book, make I become good student, make I, if not, say go fail me. You fail me again. I just look at it, they talk that fail. I don't blame you. Now because say you wear green and green, come add and white. You think say your papa na Nigeria.
Na Nigerian flag. But this girl, Bianca, what did she come dey talk? I don't understand. Because she said something, you and Tolu dey, I don't understand. What did she, that day, me and you there now, she talk am. What did you, I don't understand. What's happened? You need to give me details.
My G, sometimes you go dey cap wetin I no understand. No, wait, now that's well, that's witchy. Some more rats, now who you they listen to? I don't understand you. So you dey pay attention to that girl. You see that girl? I dey suspect her for everything where they happen for this school. You see all this strange thing where they happen? I dey suspect that girl.
I'm telling you, anytime I come around that girl, I dey get cold body. There is something about that girl.
Melissa, you know, say me, I know the cap nonsense.
Madam, what were you doing inside Tolu's office?
Are you okay? Are you normal?
Waiting carry you go Tolu office. You heard me clearly, right? I said, waiting carry you go my boyfriend office. Start talking.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Listen, and I keep quiet, no mean say, I'm not going to carry this to your head. Knock out for wall. The last time I did with Tolu, I tolerate you. You just open your mouth, talk anyhow. I just look you, that one pass. If you try am now, what's not going to do you? You don't go like her. What's the guy you go there?
Are you not foolish? The Copper Tolu that you're talking about will finish serving this school for 1 year and goes back to his hometown. And you're proud enough to call him your boyfriend.
He's my boyfriend.
Well, your Copper Tolu doesn't sleep with you alone. He sleeps with every other female student in this school.
That means he's sleeping with you.
Never. He can't try it.
Never.
Including your closest friend.
My friend? I don't understand. What do you mean by my friend? Who?
Who else? Do you have any other closest friends except Jesse? So, this should be the very last time you use that your filthy hands to touch me. Because if you try this thing you just did, I will pluck your teeth.
Come back here! You don't mad? Come here. You say you go pluck my teeth.
Come on, leave me!
Come first.
Melissa,
Wait.
why you dey exchange words with
Wait first. Waiting this girl they talk na true?
I don't understand. Waiting you mean? I don't understand. Waiting you dey. Wait she dey talk.
Wait. Jesse, I call you 3 times. No provoke me. If I ask you this question, just answer me. She tell me say, you dey sleep with my boyfriend Tolu. Not true?
Wait, now waiting this was tell you.
Not true.
Waiting you talk.
Leave her, make she talk her mind. Talk. You say what's happened?
If I start
Why are you lying?
Who's lying?
She's not married to Copper Tolu. So be free to tell her the truth.
It be like say,
yes, stand there. Stand there. You want to come?
See,
Not try me.
So now me now, this small pecan now, come they talk to you. You don't even reason them. You won't believe what she talk.
Jesse, how many times I call you? How many times I call you? Start talking. What did she talk now? True, I will be true.
If you don't want to talk, I will prove it to you.
Hey!
I will tell you how you and Tolu started dating. Remember that time that Copper Tolu was teaching us a question?
Yes.
Remember that time he asked you both questions?
Now why you dey listen to this girl now?
Allow her. Continue.
And you both failed the question.
I remember.
That was the day Tolu called her to his office.
Wait till she dey talk. Now I don't understand. Wait till you dey talk.
Jesse, you dey try me oh.
Melissa, I dey vex. So wait till you listen to
He
this
called
girl.
you beautiful angel. Am I still?
Let me be the line. That line, beautiful angel. Oh yeah, continue. What again happen?
Am I still lying?
I mean, continue. Waiting then they continue. No, waiting then they.
See, Jesse, come back here. I don't blame you. Now, so you dey do abi? Okay. Now you don't enter. We go see as he go be.
Omarichan, wait now. Baby, wait now.
Abeg leave me. Wetin happen?
My beautiful angel now. Asam Peter. Baby, calm down now.
My beautiful angel. How many angels you get for this school? No. How many angels where me and you know say you they call angel? How many then they?
Baby, you know saying only you I get. Anyways, I heard that you had a fight with Jessica because of me. I mean, that wasn't necessary. If the proprietor was in school, this would have been a totally different case and you know it.
I better come out from my front. Come out from my front. Go there with Jessica and Co. Where you they do loving dovey with. Leave me home. I don't want.
Baby.
I better leave me, no they touch me.
I swear, I have nothing doing with Jessica. You're all I have.
No touch me. Oh. Talk what you want talk, no touch me. I dey hear you. No touch me.
I have nothing doing with Jessica. You're all I've got, baby, and you know that.
You're all I've got, but you know that. You promised me say you love me.
Yeah, but I love you.
I beg go. You tell me say I be the only girl where there your life.
Yes.
See me from this month where you use chop yam and egg. You tell me say if I finish secondary school, you go help me make I enter university. What's happened to all those promises where you promised me?
Listen, babe. I need you to calm down. I will explain.
I beg come out here as you no want talk. Get out.
So you're the one that lied to Jesse that I was sleeping with Melissa and some other student. Why would you do that?
You call that lies? I don't lie. I tell facts. Or is it because I haven't reported to the school authority what you do with the female students?
Really? And what proof do you have? You think I would fold my hands and watch you say nonsense to them? Listen, if you had done that, I would have practically denied you.
I have the list of girls you slept with and where you did it. You impregnated Promise. You gave her money to abort it. In the process, she died. You impregnated Bimpe. You gave her money to abort it, but she's yet to. You slept with Chisom yesterday at the Copper's Lodge and gave her 5K for transport.
What's the meaning of all this? Huh? And how did you get to know all this you're saying?
If you know what is good for you, if you want your NYSC certificate, stop all this you're doing.
Did she just say that to me? And she even walked out on me? Really? This girl.
Yes, I'm fine. What can I do for you?
Emma, I was sweeping your balcony this morning and I found this.
Oh, my holy oil I got from my pastor. I've been looking for it. Oh. Thank you so much.
No problem, Mom.
You may go to back to your classes.
Thank you,
The mission, strange things are happening. Who is she? Who is she?
When did you come here? And how did you know that I was here?
This is your usual spot to read whenever we have free class.
So that was how you knew I was here?
Yes.
Okay. So, how may I be of help?
I just want to ask you something.
Okay, what is it?
Did your mother explain to you why your textbook got burnt in front of you, Melissa, and Chelsea?
What?
Did your mother explain to you the reason your textbook got burnt?
How did you know about this? Did Jesse and Melissa tell you about this?
Never. You pleaded with them not to tell anyone about it, and they promised. Besides, I'm the last person they will tell anything to. Obviously, they hate me for no reason. I saw why you were hiding the other day.
But you mentioned that you saw me running, not saw me hiding.
I saw everything. I saw what happened. Your textbook was hanged on the air, and it was burning to ashes.
Who are you? If you are not ready to tell me who you are, then I will leave.
Who is she? Who is she?
Wait. I'll tell you everything. Sit.
I am listening.
My name is Ariel.
Wait. I know you go by the name Bianca. How come you now reintroduce yourself to me as Ariel?
That's a long story for another day. I died 11 years ago at the age of 16.
What? You died?
Yes.
Are you trying to say you're a ghost?
Yes.
Listen, I do not have time for jokes nor pranks. I have a lot on my mind. I don't have time for scary folktales and folklore.
I have been the one responsible for all the mysterious things happening in this school.
What are you saying? You get... If you claim to be a ghost, how then are you in a human form? Share the same space? Do things like other human beings like myself do? How do you intend to convince me?
I'll tell you why I'm in human form and share space with you.
Exhume my body! 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 Exhume my body for peace to reign! Exhume my body!
No, please, don't come close to me. No, please, don't come close anymore. Please stay there and talk to me. Don't come close anymore, please. Please.
I don't have the power to hurt innocent people. I only scare people that offend me. Today, Melissa and Jesse ran back to the class. I was the one chasing them.
That was the same day you stole my book, right?
I didn't steal your book. Melissa and Jesse, put your book inside my bag to set me up.
Since you are a ghost and possess some powers, why did you not stop them?
Every spirit operates based on how they lived their life when they were humans. I have no power to stop them, but I have the right to punish them for committing crimes against me. I shouldn't have given you your textbook, but because of the friendship we have, and I didn't want to see you sad, I had to give it back.
What you just said is a big fat lie, because my mother bought me my textbook and not you returning it.
I see. You had important things written on the textbook, right?
Yes.
So when you get home, check the textbook. If your mother got you a new textbook, those things that was written on it before wouldn't be there now. I believed you haven't opened it yet.
This is surprisingly unbelievable. You live here on this school premises?
Yes.
How is that possible?
I was buried in this school.
This is surprisingly unbelievable. Are you saying you don't have a home or a family?
No, I don't. The school is my home. I live here.
But I watch you leave school on a daily basis. Where do you go to?
I have an isolated place. I disappear and come back to school.
Exhume my body! Exhume my body! Exhume my body from this grave!
Jesus! Jesus! No, 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 no! Please don't come any closer. What is going on? How is this possible?
When I leave school, I disappear and come back to my grave.
Was the mission?
Are you saying you were buried on the school premises?
Yes. And your mother knows about it too. She knows that there is a spirit living in this school. But she doesn't know that I am in a human form. I go to her office often to visit her. But she has this anti-spirit water that chases me away.
My own mother?
Yes. I will show you those times I visit her.
This is nice report. Very nice report. Go back to your grave. Go back. Go back to your grave. Now!
Was the mission? Strange things are happening.
This is making more sense now.
I made a visit. I always wanted to hurt her. But I can't. I don't have the powers to.
If my mother is aware of all of this, then why is she covering you up? Why is she not looking for a way to just terminate your existence and your activities on the school premises?
Like I said before, she doesn't know that I am in a human form. And as for the reason she doesn't want to end my existence, is because if she does, this school will fold.
Why? Make me understand. I don't understand.
I'll tell you. 11 years ago, I killed 2 of my schoolmates. I was so scared that I had to run. But on my way, I got kidnapped.
Please don't kill me. Please.
Was the mission? Strange things are happening. Who is she?
Your spirit will attract more students to my school. My school will be number 1. Everyone must love my school. Any parents that have not registered his child to my school will be restless. My school shall reign. And so shall it be. Jaguar, go get shovel and bury her.
Darkness is the flight.
Are you saying my mother killed you?
Yes, she did. She used me for ritual to make her school grow.
Was the mission? Strange things are happening.
She has fooled me. I have been lied to. All along I thought the growth of the school was because of her hard work. I never knew about all of this.
I need you to do me a favor.
Okay.
Ever since this school existed, I have been a student. My soul hasn't rested yet.
But the school is 11 years old. How is it possible that you've been a student all along in this school?
When I graduate, I turn into a new face and start all over again.
How long will you continue doing this?
Until my body is exhumed and taken home for a proper burial. Mind you, This school will fold when I rest. Break it over. You can go. We'll continue later.
Okay.
I'll meet you in class.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Mama, no! Mama, no! Mama! Ah! 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 Mama!
Uncle Tolu. Uncle Tolu now.
Melissa, what is it?
Follow me talk now.
What is it? What do you want?
Now you just call me Melissa now. Not be beautiful angel they call me before. Why can't they call me Melissa?
Does it really matter? Listen, I told you before that we need to put an end to all those things. It's not safe for me. All eyes on me. Everybody is looking around. And I do not want to get an extension from the NYC. Please. I want no trouble.
What's it? Hey! What are you people doing there? Go home. School has dismissed now. This way they talk now, it don't make sense to me. Oh. No, you now. For your mind now. How you think, say, I go forget you? It's not possible now. Haba. You check them. You know what you don't do me? If I dey sleep now, they think about the things where they take raise my leg. You go not on me. They smile. No, think am now. It don't make sense. You know what you do? You know where you don't carry me reach. You know if you leave me for road like that too. Ha.
Melissa, listen. I do not want anybody to come here and see you in this state, okay? I want you to do anything within your best to forget about me. Stop thinking about me. Okay, move on. This is not cool. The environment is not convenient for us for all this. I don't want to have issues.
I beg, I no go fit to you go think this thing 2 times. You go think this thing 2 times. So how you want make I leave you? I no go fit to think am 2 times. I don't know what you want make I do.
Melissa, listen. You just have to move on, okay? You just have to move on.
Shadows. We think we're alone, but our actions, they have a way back home. Every secret, every hidden deed.
What is it now? Stop following me. What do you want from me? What is it? Can't you just breathe a little, please? You were choking me, please.
I need your help.
What help?
I need my soul to rest in peace. And it's only you that can achieve it. That's why I opened up to you. Because I love you as a brother.
Bianca, please. Don't love me as an elder brother. I beg you. I don't need your love. I don't want any love coming from you as a ghost. Please.
Will you help?
Are you saying that I should get the police involved? Get my mother arrested and watch this school burn down in flames? Just like that? Is that what you're saying?
I do not seek justice on your mom. My death was a justice for killing 2 innocent people. If I hadn't run that day and wait till school dismissal, your mother won't see me to use for ritual. All I seek for is for my soul to rest in peace, so that I can stop moving around, both physical and spiritual.
Bianca, how do I do all of this without involving the police and your family?
Then handle it the way you would handle it. If I were your sister, you won't see this face again. though I will still be in this school, but I will change into a new face until what I've told you is done.
I will see what I can do.
If you decide to help me. My name is Ariel Okoro. I'm from Ambonbinse. I'm the last child of Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Okoro. I have an elder brother. His name is Chinedu Okoro. Go to him. He will help you.
And her name is? Can
My
you
name
introduce
is
yourself?
Mirabelle Jumbo.
Jumbo. Oh, what's up?
So please, you guys should make her comfortable and guide her through the scheme of work.
Observation. Observation.
Stand over, observe us.
Thank you. Observation. Observation.
Mirabelle, stand over, observe us.